Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and I'm very excited to have all of you like every Wednesday. Well, today it's a special Wednesday because I know that right now a lot of people it's staying home because of quarantine. But well, let's enjoy this little time that we have in our house and that we have with our family, and let's share this moment with all of them, okay? Let's try to take the best of this situation. Well, I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful dragon tail. I found the easiest technique to make this. I hope that you like it with just few material and the material that you have in your house. You can mix textures, you can mix colors, and you can create this dragon tail. You can create your own invention, okay? Well, remember, like every video, I will give you the material list and then the step by step. Okay, so let's enjoy and let's spend this time together. For this dragon tail, we are going to need 400 grams of SuperLana. This SuperLana is between fine and medium weight yarn. It's so beautiful, and a crochet hook of number 3.5. We are still sending all your materials to your house, so here I will leave all the information if you want to buy them. Remember that if you want to buy and use the same materials that I use in all my videos, you can visit my online store www.lauracepeda.es. Well, with one thread of the color that we choose to start, we are going to make 5 chains. After these 5 chains, we are going to close in circle. We are going to create a small ring. Remember to take both threads to close the ring, and then inside we are going to make 5 double crochet. Remember that the first we will count as 1, so the 3 chains that we went up will count as 1 double crochet. So here we have 4, counting the first chains that we made, and we are making the last one. So here we have 5 double crochets. Turn around, then go up with 4 chains, and in the same stitch we are going to make a double crochet of 2 crochets to create a V. Make 2 chains, and now in the same stitch we are going to make a double crochet to make 2 V's together. Then we will turn around, go up with 3 chains, and inside the V, the first V, we are going to make 4 double crochets. Remember that the first 3 chains will count as 1, so here we have 2, 3 and then 4. So without making chain, we are going to go right to the next V, and we are going to make 4 double crochets. So here we have 4. Now when you finish, turn around, and we are going to repeat the series of V. So go up with 4 chains, and then in the same stitch a double crochet, 2 chains, and in the same stitch a double crochet. Now without making chain, right away we are going to the middle of the next V, and we are going to make a double crochet, then 2 chains, and then in the same hole we are going to make double crochet to make a V. So we are going to increase. First we have 2, now we have 3 V's. Always at the beginning we are going to make 2, and then we are going to continue increasing V's. So for the next row we are going to go up with 3 chains and then our double crochet. So we are going to make 4. Remember that the first will count as 1. Without making chain, we are going to go to the next V, and we are going to make 4 double crochets. So we already made 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right away we are going to the next V and again 4 double crochets. 2, 3, and 4. So now look, at the beginning we have 1 shell, 2 shells, and now we have 3. So now turn around, go up with 4 chains, and now it's time to repeat the series of B's. So remember, in the same stitch we are going to make a double crochet and 2 chains, and again a double crochet. So always at the beginning we are going to make 2 V's, in the series of B's. So now right away we are going to the next hole and we are going to make a V, 2 chains, and in the same hole double crochet. Again in the next hole a V, so here we are making the 4th V. So here we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 V's. Turn around. So now in the next row we are going to make our 4 shells. So we are going to continue like this, increasing V's and increasing shells. We are going to change color when we have 6 series of double crochets. So here we are in the 4th series. So when we complete the 6 rows of shells, well, we are going to change color, and like this, each 6 series we are going to change color. So look, this is so far how it looks. Remember that each 6 rows of shells we are going to change the color, okay? So here we have 4, 5, and 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I changed color. Remember that we have to repeat the series and we increased. Remember, always at the beginning of the series of V's we are going to put 2 together, and then we are going to continue increasing as it goes, as I explained before, and by itself it continue growing, and now this is the shape that we have. And this is how I put the colors. Remember that you can make your own combination, and you can mix textures also, and you can mix different materials, and sometimes you have left material from previous projects, so you can use that material too to make your own creation and your own combination, okay? So this is the combination that I choose, and I'm going to continue making as many rows as I need. In this case I'm going to measure until I have 2 meters. I will stop there, and remember always to put 2 bees together, because this is the key of this project and the proper way to create the dragon tail. You have to put the 2 bees in one stitch, and then remember that we have to change color every 6 series. So let's continue and see you when I finish. So look here, this is how it looks. I already finished some of the colors. In this case, like this piece is bigger, we increase more, and well, the series are longer. I just make 5 rows of this color, and this 1, 2, 3, 4 rows with this color too, because I want to use this yarn to make the final row. So this is the stitch that I'm going to use. I'm going to show you how we are going to continue, and with this we'll be finished. Remember that if you want to make more series, well, you can make more, it's up to you, but here I don't have enough material. So I will show you. We are going to make 3 chains, and in the same hole we are going to make 3 extended double crochets of 3 crochets, 2 and 3. Now insert your hook in the next hole, single crochet, and this is it, and it looks similar to this side of the dragon tail. So we are just going to make this row in this side, and with this we will finish. Now what it means is that it's a pom-pom that goes in each side. So I will show you how. I already get ahead and I made one, but don't worry, I will show you how you can make this pom-pom to decorate this dragon tail. Now we are going, here I finished the row, and we are going to hide this thread through all this project. Please don't cut the thread. Let's hide it a little bit, and then you will cut it. it is important that we hide this thread a little bit in the project before we cut it, because if not it will undo and we don't want that, of course. So that's why we have to hide it and then cut the thread. Well, after this we are going to make the pom-pom. In this case, like in this side, I decided to put the red pom-pom, and in this other side a blue pom-pom, because this is the material that I have more left. But well, I will show you how we are going to make these pom-poms. So I'm going to use a little notebook that I have from somewhere, I don't remember where I bought it, but you can use this. It approximately measured 14 centimeters. So we are going to use it, and then with our yarn we are going to wind the yarn around the notebook or the dashboard or whatever you have in your house, and we are going to wind the yarn around. We are going to wind the yarn around 25 times. It is important that we count, because if not, the other pom-pom will be bigger than this one, and we don't want that. Okay, well, it's up to you. If you want, well, you can make it, but it's better if you make both pom-poms the same. So 20 times. 22, 23, 24, and 25. Well, then we are going to cut 2 long threads, and we are going to use it to make a knot, and then the other thread we are going to use it to make a knot in the middle top of the pom-pom. We are going to fold one of the threads in half, and we are going to use it to make a pom-pom, I mean to make a knot in the top. So we have to tie a little bit here, and then these threads will be helpful to join it with the project in the tip of the dragon tail. So then the second thread, we are going to use it in the middle top of the pom-pom to make this little ball in the top. We are going to make a knot very tight, and then with our hook we are going to take these both threads and we are going to bring them through to hide them like this. And when we join this pom-pom, we are going to make the same with these threads. So I will show you. So we are going to put this pom-pom here, we are going to make a knot, and then we are going to bring them through. So now we are going to cut these threads, and then we are going to cut all these threads so all of them can have the same long using our scissors. Okay, so this will be the end. If you want to iron with plenty of steam, you can make it, but I think that like this it's good. The stitch looks beautiful, so it's up to you. Well, so what do you think? I hope that you like it. I love that this garment you can make it with the material that you have left from previous projects, and now in this season when we can go out and buy more materials, where I think it's an amazing project to make it in your house with all your family. So please, if you make it, take a picture and tag me. I love when you send me all your pictures and how do you look with these projects that I teach you in all my videos. Please let me know in the comments if you want me to make a specific project, or if you have a doubt. As soon as I can read them, I will answer back. Remember that I also have a Spanish channel when you can follow more projects like this one. As soon as I can make them in English, I will make them. Okay, visit my YouTube channel, Laura Cepeda. I share their videos every Tuesday and Thursday in Spanish, and in English every Wednesday. Remember, also don't forget to follow me in all my social media, in Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. There are share different content in all of them and more news about the next projects and where I will be soon, and in all the places where I will be giving workshops. So I hope that we can meet soon and that this quarantine finish very soon. For now, let's stay at home, let's enjoy our family, and let's enjoy the activities that we can make so often because of work and because of crazy's life. So now it's time to stop and relax a little bit and try to take the best part of this quarantine. Okay, please remember that if you can go out, we can send you the material, you can send you the yarn via my online store. Please visit, and if you have any doubt, please let me know. But well, thank you so much for watching this video with me. I hope that you have enjoyed. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching. See you the next Wednesday, and please stay at home, please enjoy your family, and see you soon. Bye.